Whether you're commuting to work, cruising through the city, or buying your kid their first ride, electric scooters are more powerful, efficient, and stylish than ever in 2025. In today's video, I'll break down the top 5 best electric scooters of the year, including long-range models, budget-friendly commuters, and even one for the kids. I'll cover performance, features, pros and cons, and which rider each scooter is best for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's ride into it. Number 1. Hiboy S2 Pro/S2 Max electric scooter. The Hiboy S2 Pro and S2 Max are designed for adult commuters who want reliable range and comfort. With solid tires that never go flat and a sturdy build, it's built for city roads. The optional seat adds extra comfort for longer rides. Key features: motor, 500W, tires, 10-inch solid, range, 25 to 40.4 miles, top speed, 19 miles per hour, foldable frame plus optional seat. You also get cruise control, dual braking, and a mobile app for fine-tuning settings. Pros: long range, up to 40 miles, smooth and stable ride, foldable plus optional seat, smart app control. Best for daily commuters, urban riders needing range and comfort. Number 2. Gotrax GXL V2 electric scooter. This is one of the most popular budget scooters on the market, and for good reason. The Gotrax GXL V2 offers great value with essential commuting features. It's lightweight, portable, and good for short rides or beginners. Key features: motor, 250W, tires, 8.5-inch solid, range, up to 9 miles, top speed, 15.5 miles per hour, weight, 25.9 pounds, foldable with cruise control. Pros: very lightweight and portable, great for beginners. Affordable price, cruise control for smooth riding. Best for short distance commuters, students, budget-conscious riders. Number 3. Razor Power Core E90 for kids. The Razor E90 is perfect for young riders. It's safe, simple, and doesn't go too fast, giving parents peace of mind. The maintenance-free motor and lightweight frame mean less hassle and more fun for the kids. Key features: motor, hub motor, speed, 10 miles per hour, run time, up to 80 minutes, frame, steel, push-button throttle, designed for kids 8+. Pros: safe speed for kids, long battery life, maintenance-free design, easy for beginners. Best for kids aged 8 and up, beginners, fun backyard or park riding. Number 4. Segway Ninebot E2+2/E2 Pro. Segway Ninebot is known for quality, and the E2 series brings smart features and ride comfort in a sleek package. The E2 Pro has front suspension, which makes a big difference on bumpy roads, and both models fold easily for portability. Key features: top speed, 15.5 miles per hour. Range varies by model. Suspension, front suspension, E2 Pro only. Certified UL 2272 and 2271. Lightweight and portable. Pros: trusted brand, good safety certifications, smooth ride with suspension pro, easy to carry and fold. Best for city riders, casual commuters, brand-conscious buyers. Number 5. Gotrax G4 Series electric scooter. The Gotrax G4 Series takes things to the next level. With a more powerful motor, long-range battery, and speeds up to 38 miles per hour, this scooter is for serious riders. The electric code lock is a great security bonus, and the larger tires absorb bumps better than most. Key features: motor, 500 650W, tires, 10-inch or 11 shock absorbing, range, up to 45 miles, top speed, up to 38 miles per hour, built-in code lock, foldable. Pros: high top speed, 20 to 38 miles per hour depending on model, long range, excellent shock absorption, built-in security features. Best for long-distance commuters, thrill seekers, suburban riders. So how do you choose the right scooter in 2025? If you're commuting every day and want comfort plus range, go with the Hiboy S2 Pro or G4 series. Need something lightweight and budget-friendly? The Gotrax GXL V2 is a solid pick. Buying for your kid? The Razor E90 is a safe and fun starter. Want something stylish and smooth? The Segway Ninebot gives you quality and design. All product links are in the description, so check them out for the latest deals. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you love gear reviews, and let us know in the comments which scooter would you ride in 2025.